Installing a boot media. Align the edges of the boot media with the boot media socket and then gently push it into place. Secure the boot media with the screw. Reinstall the CPU air baffle. Close and secure the controller cover. Reinstall the controller into the system. Refer to the video titled Installing the Controller Module for the procedure. Note: the replacement boot media that you installed does not have a boot image, so you will need to transfer a boot image using a USB flash drive. Refer to the education course for the procedure.